Yo, can you?
Alright, so what's up, everybody? Today, Animal Company added something new. Quick, look, Creator Studios. What could that be? Anyway, yeah, like what is this? So, ooh, coffee cup. That's a coffee. Yeah, and then there's this green screen. Hey,
Dude, you're a twin! If there's a copy of the game, it's me!
tracking markers. Well, sorry. It feels so blue. Feels like an endless hole.
Come here, you bluey!
What's the what is perfect color?
I'm playing Animal Company.
Hey, this is weird. Yeah. That's kind of cool. It's kind of cool and weird. Oh, wait, city. The whole city. I'm just exploring this place because they recently added something. Like right now they added something. Wait, somebody comes up here.
We're gonna get this stream started.
I'm on top of the world.
What? The stream.
Okay.
Got these cameras fixed.
Okay, God, stop it! Dang, bro, you're actually the annoyingest person in the whole time of me playing the same game.
Look, I'm doing my homework. You have to study.
Okay. Well, there's a bunch of stuff. Like, whoa. Like, wait, can you buy stuff? Flashlight. That flashlight is there.
Flip this. Come this. I need to clip this. You're under arrest.
Oh, breaking news.
You're under arrest.
I'm gonna whip you.
You're under arrest.
News alert. Like breaking news. Breaking news. Yada yada yada. Wait, so this is bad news, I guess. And then this is the good news. Okay.
No one kills my
Gotta get used to all this stuff. Kinda cool. And then there is a streaming
what's
room.
going on, Scream? I just got
And this
bodyguard.
streaming room,
Yo,
like
we peaked
this
at
guy.
600 viewers. Chat. Oh my God. Why does he have a grenade? Yo, you're gonna stream with me, okay, bro? You're gonna stream with me. That's the webcam.
Okay.
All right, get on Fortnite, okay?
Alright.
All right, bro. Watch out. Watch on me.
God,
No,
I lost.
Yo, that's my $6,000 piece.
I'm going away, so I'm gonna give away all
They got rocket launchers. Let's just do a podcast. Hello, welcome to my podcast. These are $600 likes, so don't break them. He's here. Yo.
What is wrong?
I'm bringing at you. Ton. Wait. I got killed. Uh-oh.
What did I say?
That's not good.
I never.
Hey, put this one here. Wait, hold on.
Ready, guys?
That's so close.
Get all the stuff.
I think all
I can't
office
get
is
it,
gonna
bro.
be there.
I can't get it. Yippee.
They
I
have
got this
revamped
I have a
Forest.
Guys, I have a lot more bags that spawned, and I'm going
What
away.
was that? What was
I
that?
have a lot more bags.
What?
Chad, I'm back to streaming! President, I'm
Alright, here's a suitcase.
That's weird. They kind of revamped.
Bro!
Oh, what is this?
Bro, please.
It's,
Bro.
a Peely deal and a Galaxy pack.
Here's another bag. Yo.
A Galaxy yacht.
Golden revolvers.
Oh wait, and so they probably added some new stuff. Did they? I don't think they added anything new.
Crazy
That's
giveaway.
just
Wait, come on.
That's just new. Oh, a boomerang. I'm getting that. Hold on, wait, how much is it? 2.
Yo, who wants golden
boomerang
grenades?
is
Now I
2.
this
I'm
from
gonna
the
get
last update.
I'm gonna get that boomerang.
You guys, cat.
Wait,
I don't care that much. Everyone.
I don't think you can put it in the
buy
bag,
one of
so-
these, and
Wait,
I'm gonna grapple up because this new map is looking cool. Wait, hold on, wait. Up, okay, chicken coop's over here. This is where chicken coop is. Oh, and it's a chicken. That chicken look mad. I'm not gonna mess with them today. Although maybe later I might. Okay, and then there's that. Wait, but Armstrong Cave, no. What about that? No, Armstrong Cave. I think they kind of just forgot about Armstrong Cave. Oh, eggs. Better sell these eggs.
More!
And it broke. Yeah, I got 200.
Yo, can I not go to report?
Okay.
How do you use this?
Okay, yeah. I'm gonna explore one. So, there's this stuff. Wait, Nightshade Venom set. This looks cool for real. Wait, Daybreaker set. Wait, Demon Slayer.
Try, but you're high.
Some Demon Slayer stuff. Wait,
All
yeah,
this stuff is good, bro.
I know, I've been seeing that for so long, but
Bro, but why? But
I
bro,
know
What
it's
do
wrong,
you
so.
use,
but bro,
man?
why? Bro, why you do
That's.
this? You could just keep all the stuff.
I know, but
I mean, it
my
is.
mom is
That's
selling
weird.
my VR, so I'm never gonna have this VR again. So I'm giving all my stuff
Bro,
away.
why?
I don't know.
Dude, that's...
Are you broke or something?
Alright, yeah, so let's explore some more. Oh wait, and you can grapple on to stuff. Yeah, you can actually grapple on to stuff.
Let's go to our house, Twin.
Ages.
Twin, come on.
No, wait.
Yeah, Twin, that's what leave.
And then there's like some
Yo, chat.
battle zone, I guess.
Different room. I just had
There's
a
some battle zone.
Be careful, bro. There's a bullgong running here. Don't worry, I swept the whole thing. You will pay for my death.
Wait, what's this over here? It's a house. Then you can,
Who hit me? Huh? He did. The pug. Yo, who likes grenades? Who likes
Whoa.
grenades?
this is like crazy.
I think all of you like grenades. Who likes grenades?
Is this
Everyone
place?
stop for real. I'm actually
Help me,
trying to do a video.
Please, everyone, please don't disturb me.
Yo, chat, I'm at news making
Grab my
a
crossbow. Grab my crossbow.
Yeah, now.
Don't
Get in there. Now.
Yo, chat, we're watching right now. Him.
I'm coming
Just keep
back.
on watching his videos.
I'm the bodyguard. Get in now. Get in now. I'm bodyguard. Get in now. Oh, that's my prize. You eliminate the rapper in the box. Okay, I'll
Wait, is it Coca-Cola?
Hi. Just get up here because I think someone wants me dead.
Go to my house.
Probably wants me dead. Is this the exit? Yep. What is that? You guys heard that, right? What is that? I'm just gonna store this. Ooh. Oh well.
Why?
Boom. Wait, hold on.
You go. I dare you to go to that safe zone.
What you gonna do?
Too bad this controller's done.
Where's my son at?
I'm gonna go kaboom.
He made me do all that.
You can kind of make a fireworks out of those things, out of TNT. Look. I'm just searching.
Yo,
Ooh, wait,
what
I think all maps like that. Mine's it's
what's
fine,
that?
but sewers, like look, sewers, it's got that glitch thing. Now let's see if it's late changed.
Why?
It has not changed. See over here if the entrance to vents has that glitchy thing also. Oops. Got it. Alright. Does it? It looks like it doesn't. Wait, I see something red. But it looks like it doesn't. So, so 2 out of 4 maps, I think. I mean, well, if we included Office, but that's not here yet. But hopefully it will come soon. Because I kind of miss Office. The backrooms. So. Yeah, but when will they add Office back? And so until I've got a idea of where that's gonna be like right here.
Green.
This is where it's gonna be.
This is what I have to trade for you.
I just have a feeling it's gonna be that right there.
Bye, guys. You're welcome for the giveaway. I'm leaving probably forever.
Alright, so I'm gonna end the video right here. So see ya.